Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that add ambiance and professionalism to your life. We've all been there. Your robot vacuum starts cleaning, but minutes later, it's stuck on a cord, trapped under furniture, or tangled in a rug. Frustrating, right? Well, those days are over. The latest AI-powered robot vacuums are smarter, faster, and better at navigating your home without getting stuck. Let's dive into the technology behind these advanced vacuums, why they never get trapped, and how to choose the perfect one for your home. Traditional robot vacuums get stuck because they struggle to navigate certain obstacles, including cords and wires that easily wrap around wheels, small objects like toys, shoes, and random clutter that can stop them, rugs and carpet edges where thicker surfaces can trap wheels, and furniture and tight spaces that some vacuums can't squeeze through. This not only interrupts cleaning, but also drains battery life and makes the whole experience less efficient. But thanks to AI-powered technology, modern vacuums can see, think, and adapt to avoid these obstacles, so they keep cleaning without interruptions. Today's smart robot vacuums use a combination of advanced sensors, mapping technology, and artificial intelligence to move seamlessly around your home. Real-time obstacle avoidance means AI cameras detect and avoid objects before getting stuck. Smart mapping technology creates a digital map of your home for precise navigation. Adaptive learning allows the vacuum to learn from past cleanings to avoid problem areas. So how does an AI-powered vacuum know where to go and what to avoid? Infrared and LiDAR sensors detect objects in real time and adjust its path. Bump and cliff sensors prevent crashing into walls or falling downstairs. Memory mapping remembers your home's layout to avoid getting lost. And the best part? You can control everything from an app, set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and monitor performance. Looking for a robot vacuum that won't get stuck? Here are some top-rated AI-powered models. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus with AI obstacle detection and self-emptying for $899. Roborock S7. Max V Ultra featuring smart mapping and a mop and vacuum combo for $999. And Eufy RoboVac X8, which is budget-friendly with twin turbine suction, priced at $399. Before you buy a robot vacuum, consider your home's unique needs. Large homes? Choose a vacuum with longer battery life and smart mapping. Lots of furniture? Go for a low-profile vacuum that fits under sofas. Have pets? Get one with anti-tangle brushes to handle pet hair. On a budget? Look for a reliable mid-range model with basic AI navigation. Reading real customer reviews can also help you decide. Look for feedback on navigation, suction power, and battery life. To keep your robot vacuum working efficiently, follow these simple maintenance tips. Empty the dustbin after every use. Clean the brushes and rollers weekly. Wipe the sensors to ensure obstacle detection works. Update the software for the latest AI improvements. A little maintenance goes a long way in preventing your vacuum from getting stuck. The future of robot vacuums is even smarter. Expect features like full smart home integration. Control your vacuum with Alexa, Google Home, or your phone. Longer battery life, more powerful, energy-efficient batteries. Self-repairing technology vacuums that fix themselves to prevent breakdowns. Eco-friendly designs, sustainable materials, and lower energy consumption. We're heading towards a future where cleaning is fully automated and hassle-free. If you're tired of rescuing your stuck robot vacuum, it's time to upgrade to an AI-powered model. Smarter navigation, obstacle detection, better cleaning efficiency, less frustration. Investing in a high-quality robot vacuum means more free time for you and a cleaner home with zero effort. Ready to upgrade? Check out the best AI-powered vacuums today and experience the future of cleaning. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home tech updates. See you in the next video.